Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2010 Mazda CX-9 and we're trying to get the fuel pump out of this car. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take out this seat here. So what you do is you pop up these covers here and here. There's one there, and there's four 14mm headed bolts. You take those out. After you get those out, I've already started taking this apart. This carpet is already mostly sliced here. So what you do, you get a razor blade and you go ahead and slice this carpet here. And as you can see, it tucks underneath the tracks. So then you just lift these up and poke those back. Lift this one up and poke it back. Then once you get those poked back, there are 4 Phillips screws here to get to the top of the fuel pump. Oh, there's also a heat duct here that sticks through the carpet that you need to pull out and get out of the way. All right, once you get all this stuff out of your way, there is the top of the fuel pump. You unplug, come on baby, sit there. You unplug your connector, and this connector's here. Now there's Phillips screws around to get it out. We're gonna pop those Phillips screws. We're gonna disconnect the fuel line. We're gonna bleed the fuel off before we disconnect so we don't spray gas everywhere. But I couldn't find any place on YouTube that showed you how to do the fuel pump on a CX-9. So as you can see, this is the seat track right here. The seat bolt is here, 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 and here. And what I did is I did the back two first. I slid the seat up because the seat slides. I slid the seat up as far as it would go. I took these 2 bolts out, then I slid the seat back and then these 2 bolts. And I disconnected the seat belt, and then I folded the seat up to get it out through the hole. There you go, people. This is just a really quick one to show you how to get to the fuel pump on a CX-9 2010. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.